Hey guys, my name is Scott. Today I'm going to introduce Worx gardening series WG119E 2-in-1 12-inch glass trimmer. So this glass trimmer is actually features with adjustable handle, which is ergonomic design to reach user comfortable experience. So get this glass trimmer today to itch the driveway with else.
What are you guys waiting for? Let's go to unboxing section.
Hey, what's up fans? Today I'm going to unboxing Worx gardening series WG119E 2-in-1 glass trimmer. First is the safety guard for this machine, and we have also product manual and warranty card. And the last in front of me is the glass trimmer. That's all for today, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please comment at below and see you in next video.